Hey, it's Dan McDonald. Share this video with your family and your friends. Get a juicer. Use it every single day. Get hydrated to stay motivated. Right here we have the pineapple, cucumber, mint, cilantro, and lime. That is the tropical cleanser. Right here we've got the apple, carrot, beet, ginger, lemon, pineapple, and cucumber. That is the beauty juice. Right here we got the original master cleanse, which is coconut water and cane juice with lime, grapefruit. All the citrus fruits act as a solvent for mucus in the body. Mucus is the #1 cause of physical obstruction leading to disease. This is coconut, cilantro, and lime, heavy metal detoxification. This is the anti-inflammatory cleanser, which is orange, turmeric, and ginger. Great for the circulation. This is plain old coconut water. The soothing, cooling, hydrating, anti-gravitational water. All fruits and vegetables have anti-gravitational living water. They're filled with vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and life force energy. Life comes from living foods. We got another green juice, another beauty juice. We have another detox, the True Master Cleanse. This is orange, tangelo, and mandarin. And then we got another beauty juice and another coconut and cilantro. So a few repeaters here, but check it out. Use your juicer. Get it out of the cupboard, dust it off, get a good one, and use it every day. Get into the habit of cleaning it, picking up produce. About every 3rd day you can juice. This is going to last 2 people for 3 days. It is an investment in your health. Believe me, you can go always and never get sick. You never get sick. You never get any of it, ever. Because you're cleaning all the junk out of your body all the time. You're animating the cells with life force energy. You're feeding your body colloidal living minerals in a solution that is actually absorbed and utilized into the tissues, creating ATP and energy. Life comes from the living foods. Share this video with your family and friends. Check out DTM's website and his social media and stuff. And I'll just keep on saying the same thing over and over again because honestly, I run into people every day that are watching my videos for over a decade and they still have a million questions. So I'll just keep doing what I do. For me, it's a no-brainer. I've been doing it for 30 years every day. And I am so grateful that my parents bought me a juicer randomly out of dumb luck. It completely transformed my life. And I'm grateful for that, the daily juicing habit. Now I just live off juice. Can you dig it? But that's why you have a lot of energy, okay? Thanks a lot. Take care of yourselves. You deserve to be healthy, and you can do it. Just build some good habits, get some good sleep, forgive everyone, forgive yourself, treat yourself kindly, find things to be grateful for, and live in a positive state of mind, because that'll make the world a much better place. Your world and for everyone else. So let's lift up the whole ocean of consciousness through our own attitude of gratitude, our own physical health, our own emotional health, our own mental health, our own spiritual and divine flow. Right here, right now, life is good, kingdom of heaven on earth. Get your body harmonized, get your heart harmonized, get your mind harmonized, get your spirit harmonized. Can you dig it? 4 minutes. Out.